Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a little video. I want to show you how you can open this phone. It's 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 a 6525 or smart 8. So I want to show you how you can go about opening this phone without damaging it. I wouldn't lie to you, I've already opened the phone. So what you want to do with this phone, just know that this phone has this cover. It is a separate cover from the other ones, so it is glued around here and also around the back of this area of the cameras. They also use glue, so knowing that is very important. And also, you see here we have a fingerprint. There's a flex cable running from here into the motherboard, and actually that cable is very thin, very fragile, and just right at the back of this cover. So without damaging this, you can use a separating machine right there. Just set your temperature between 100 and 110 degrees, but I would say if you can do it with 100 degrees, it's better. That takes a lot of time. Another way you can go about it is to use alcohol or home dry. In this case I have home dry. You can also use petrol. So what you will do, you want to find something sharp like this, like a razor. Try to make that corner fragile, and if the glue is there and you haven't removed it, it won't be that easy. And take care not to damage the phone. In my case, I have already removed this cover, I told you. So if you find it hard, you can add some few drops. Just pour one drop, and you can go about it like this. You see, it's just an edge of the blade. When you have an allowance like that, remember this side is the one that we have the flex cable. And usually using a metal to open a plastic isn't a good idea, because metal still is hard than plastic, so it may end up deforming some areas. Okay, so the next step, after you get your allowance, find a hard paper like this. So insert it, remove the blade, and this paper works magic. You see, you can direct the flow of the liquid like this. Just 3 drops are enough, don't pour a lot. Then you go with it like this. This one is the best option since it can't damage the phone. When you reach around the area of this fingerprint, you want to go back. If you feel you are stuck, add some other 3 drops and go around it. go around it. When you reach there, you see the reason where I'm telling you to use like 3 drops is because you see when that liquid gets into the screen, it doesn't have a good image. So take note of that. So since this lower side is open, what I do, you see the screen now is facing upward. So I just like to come with my home drive and I put my home drive inside there, let it flow up to here until it peels itself out. You see we got the fingerprint. So the next step you want to do, remember to put your things in order. The next thing you want to do, you want to find a tool which you can use to open this phone. I use this prying tool. So around this same tray opening, I just insert it like this. You see, you can even use your nails and just go downward like that, like that, like that. Keeping in mind here we have a fingerprint. Okay, so just go around, yeah, the top side. Let me use my tool. You see, don't let this area come off easily. So just holding on it. Okay, you see, the next step you want to do is to disconnect that fingerprint from the board. Like this. It's best to use your nails. You can also use tweezers with care. If you know, not every phone is the same. Not every phone will lift like this. So in this case I will use my nails. Yeah, like that. You know, using your nails is very safe. It can't damage anything if you are careful. So the next thing is to disconnect the battery as usual, the screen, and go ahead and do your job. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something. Just tap on that button to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost anything. Continue learning. Yeah, subscribe to my channel guys. I'm giving you this knowledge for free. Yeah, you can also like my video, and bye.